This introductory Excel tutorial. Today I'll be showing you around Excel in order to get more comfortable working with the software. First off, Excel is a spreadsheet software used to organize and analyze tabular data. An Excel file is called a workbook, and within the workbook there are worksheets. So worksheets can be independent of each other, which means that the data in each worksheet is separate from the other worksheets, or the worksheets can be linked, which means the data in one worksheet is used in another worksheet. Now I'll show you how to add, rename, move, copy, and delete worksheets. I'll start by adding a worksheet by pressing this plus button at the bottom. And now we have two worksheets. To rename, you can either double click and rename it, or you can right click, press rename, and then rename it. I'll name it Data 1. Now to move the worksheet, I can drag Data 1 in front of Data. I can also duplicate this worksheet by right-clicking and pressing Move or Copy, and then check Create a Copy, and I'll press on Move to the end. Then press OK, and now we see we have a copy of Data 1. To delete a worksheet, right-click and press Delete. Once a worksheet is deleted, there is no undo option. Within a worksheet, there are rows, columns, and cells. Rows are identified by numbers, and columns are identified by letters. Cells are identified by a column-row combination. So this cell would be named C3 because it is in column C and in row 3. It's convention to organize your data with observations as rows and variables as columns. So let's do a quick example. Let's name the variable ID on column A, and then we'll type in 1, 2, 3 in the rows. So I can insert a row by highlighting row 4 and right-clicking and pressing Insert. So we see a row has been inserted above our selected row. We can also delete it by highlighting the row. Right now it's already highlighted, right-clicking and pressing Delete. And then we can do the same things with our columns. I'll insert a column in front of our current column A by highlighting the column, right-clicking, and pressing Insert. Now we see that column is in front of our ID column. So moving on to another part of the workbook, the ribbon is the panel at the top of the document. There are 9 tabs, and each contain a different set of features. So the features in each tab are categorized into related groupings, such as font, alignment, and number, all found in the Home tab. So now if you'd like to save your Excel workbook, there are a couple options. You can click on the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar right here, or you can press Command S on your keyboard, or you can go to File at the top and click on Save. And then here you can name your workbook. And then I'll save it in my Downloads folder, and then I'll press Save. So that's all for this video. If you need further help or want to learn more, go to the ERC's website at erc.barnard.edu and find the walk-in hours in the Visit Us tab. Thanks for watching.